So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the camera on your Apple Watch. Now, there's not necessarily a camera on the Apple Watch itself that you can use, but you can use it to go and connect to your iPhone and automatically take photos from your Apple Watch onto your iPhone. So the way this works is to go ahead and just make sure that you have your Apple Watch on your iPhone. So just make sure you have an Apple Watch connected to it. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically get into the camera application. So you can do that by clicking on the side button right here and essentially just scrolling down until you see this little camera icon that's right there. So all you want to do is you want to tap onto that camera icon and then it's going to come. Now what you're going to see as soon as you see that is you're going to see that camera icon come up, and then look, as soon as you look at your iPhone, you'll see that the camera will basically come up like this, and then you'll basically be able to see whatever you have inside of your iPhone basically right inside of your Apple Watch. So this is really convenient just in case you're wanting to go and take photos in like a different situation. Let's say you're going to want to take a timed photo or something like that. Well, you can basically do that right there. So that is a really, really convenient thing you can basically do. So now whatever I'm looking around here, you can see that it's showing up on my Apple Watch. If I want to go and take a photo, I can just go through, click on this 3-second thing right there, and it will go and actually start vibrating my watch like crazy, and it will go ahead and take a photo. So that is something that's really cool. You can essentially just keep seeing photos that you want to take, but that's basically how it works. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.